IPL cricket has so many viewers in India, it can sell everything from soda, cars, even condoms, which is not something Indians are known for using.
Captain goes to his strike bowler with the hope of making inroads in that.
If you're not watching the match, can I watch something else?
That's a full-length delivery and batsman.
Love sex, T-Rex.
What the fuck? Wait, let's break this down. He handed her the remote with his erection through the fabric of his clothes. Like, how did the director direct this? He's like, listen to me, Vinay. I need you to get a boner. And he's like, on it.
Nothing much happening for the fielding side, and they need a breakthrough. The captain goes to his strike bowler with the hope of making inroads in that.
If you're not watching the match, can I watch something else?
That's a full-length delivery, and batsman does well to dig it out, and it.
I love your full length.
Love sex, T-Rex.